How to get started with Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. Install and activate SecureLine VPN. If you use Avast Security on a compatible Mac system with SecureLine VPN is installed by default. To install Avast Security for Mac, follow the steps in this article. Installing Avast Security for Mac. To activate SecureLine VPN, refer to the following article. Activating Avast SecureLine VPN for Mac. Connect to SecureLine VPN. SecureLine VPN can be used anytime you want to connect to the internet with extra security and privacy, and is especially recommended when you are connected to a public or unsecured wireless network. To connect to a SecureLine VPN server, follow these steps. 1. Click the Avast SecureLine VPN icon on the right side of the menu bar and select Open Avast SecureLine VPN. 2. Click the off slider so that it changes to on. You are now connected to the SecureLine VPN server. You can also change the default VPN server location if needed. If SecureLine VPN is unable to establish a connection, refer to the following article. What should I do if SecureLine is unable to establish a connection? Connect to a different location. SecureLine VPN has servers in several locations, which means you can bypass geolocation restrictions as well as access your favorite content while traveling. To connect to a different location, 1. Click Change Location. 2. Select your preferred country or city, then click Change Location to confirm. If certain websites claim that you are connected to a different city than the city you selected as your VPN location, refer to the following article. What should I do if SecureLine is unable to establish a connection? Manage SecureLine VPN settings. 1. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the SecureLine VPN screen to open settings. 2. Adjust your preferred settings, general, manage notifications, startup preferences, and content language within the SecureLine VPN interface. Network security, automatically enable SecureLine VPN when connected to an unsecured Wi-Fi network. Subscription, manage your license and check the expiration of your subscription. For more information about how to manage your Avast SecureLine VPN subscription, refer to the following article. Activating Avast SecureLine VPN for Windows.